Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Shelley and this is Train Karate with Shelley. So guys, if you can recall in our previous video, we were learning how to make a fist with our arms extended. So here today we're going to be learning on how, or the reason as to why we were making this fist, and not only making the fist, but rather why these two knuckles should not be facing upwards, but rather with a slight inclination. Yes, as you can see. So even turn to the side. So you're going to see that my arm is not this straight when I'm making my fist. It's inclined. Yeah? The reason as to why we are doing this, we are trying to avoid the injury to our wrist. So every time we're going to be throwing our punch, as you're going to see in the next video, you're going to see that my hand, the fist, this is the angle. It's not straight. Straight is this way. So if I hit with my arms straight, then my wrist and my shoulder will incur an injury. But this way, this is the correct way, this is the correct position, and this is the correct formation. So keep that in mind as we're going to move to our next video where we're going to be learning our punches. Again guys, we have linked all our social media handles down here. So make sure that you're going to follow us on Instagram, on TikTok, on if you're new here, please subscribe, give us a like, share, comment, let's engage because you're learning, and I'll see you in the next video. So, domo arigato.